ina mulki zo ina ita ne ina mulki tana nan
wani
sauran ina hun So I bought this form, and the masses are with me, and together we will take over Kaduna State.
Inshallah. Na batanci wanda suke faruwa, an rusa kasuwa ta kasuwan bacci bayan ya bar mulki, an rusa kasuwan kakuri da sauran kasuwanni na jihar Kaduna wanda mutane da yawa sun shiga cikin wani hali. Bawon Allah na a yau idan mun goya mai bayan ya samu wannan matsayi mu musamman.
Gentlemen and women of the press, my name is Shehu Sani. I am from Kaduna State. I'm here to pick up the forms for the 2023 gubernatorial contest under the People's Democratic Party. My interest in vying for the position of the governorship of Kaduna State is to do the following. I have an agenda, and the first is to unite the people of Kaduna State, the northern and southern Kaduna, for peace, harmony, and stability of the state. Secondly, is to unfold and implement an agenda that will secure the people of Kaduna State from terrorism, banditry, and other gangsteric criminality that has today destabilized our state and has made it a basket case for security and peace. I intend to implement a program of action that will make it impossible for terrorists to lay siege on our state, to kill our people, to kidnap our people, and to make life unbearable and intolerable for our people. I intend to, as a governor of Kaduna State, to implement an economic agenda that will ensure the spread of prosperity in all the parts of the state, from the north and the south. Kaduna is a multi-religious and multi-ethnic state. You need a bridge builder, one that will cement the relationship and restore the cordial and harmonious relationship that exists between the predominantly Muslim northern part of the state and the predominantly Christian southern part of the state. I intended to unfold a program that will address the issues of health, of education, and also youth development. My basic interest in vying for this position is how I can uplift the standard of living of my people and contribute to national development. To the knowledge of each and every one of us, Kaduna has become a serious hub for terrorists and bandits. We need a leader that will lead the people at the front, that will lead the battle, that will present and implement programs and policies that will make it impossible for these terrorists to turn our state into their own hub. I'm here for serious business. We can't continue to fold our arms and our people are being killed every day. We can't continue to fold our arms and see government being helpless and hopeless in this situation. I don't believe that we cannot address this problem. I have a firm belief that if you have a program of action that will involve the people of the state in the security architecture of the state, that will unite the people to fight and confront a common enemy, we will bring this terrorism and terrorists to an end. I'm here because I believe that I have something to offer. I have the history. I am not the typical career politician, you know. I am an activist. And I believe that I am in this party to mobilize our people, to lead the battle to protect our country, to protect our region. The northwestern part of Nigeria has become a haven for terrorists. It has become a basket gate for security. Security has been paralyzed. Our people sell their houses, sell their farmlands to pay ransom to kidnappers. Where is leadership? Our people have become sitting ducks and living at the mercy of bandits. Where is the government? Our people pay fines and levies to terrorists to go to their farms or to harvest their crops. Where is the government? Where are leaders? It is leadership that gives inspiration. It's leadership that motivates people. It's leadership that gives people who are in charge of security the opportunity and the strength to be able to tackle all these problems. As a governor of a state, I promise to use our security fund to provide the necessary equipment and services and funding our security agencies need to take this battle to the terrorists. I'm here to be the servant of the people of Kaduna State. Thank you very much.
Because this place is very hot, we will limit our question to 2 or 3.
Okay, my name is Victor Sinagwes and I report for Radio Nigeria. I'm wondering how you'll be able to surmount the heavy structure of the APC led by your governor in your state, because he did it to a point that he even made a deputy from his own part of the country, of the state actually, showing that it's a conquered territory. How do you hope to surmount that challenge?
You see, the problem we have as a country is that when people are elected into office, they don't see themselves as servants of the people. They see themselves as conquerors, one that should share the booty of war to themselves. And where has it led us? Today, Kaduna State has never been more divided along ethnic and religious lines as it has ever been in the history of our state. Today, it has become impossible to tackle the problems of terrorism because the state is divided. Under my government, we will unite the people of Kaduna State. The Hausas in the north, the other ethnic groups who are in the southern part of the state will all work together and secure the state. I have said it clearly. Kaduna State is a multi-religious state. And what can unite the people is justice, equity, and fairness. I will not run a state where one part is favored and the other is disfavored. So to me, if his formula is working, we could have had peace in Kaduna State. If his formula is working, we could have united as a people. Today, Kaduna State has become a bad example of governance, all because the style of leadership in the state has not united the people and has made it impossible. What is going on in Kaduna State is never experienced in any parts of Nigeria. For example, terrorists launch raids. They have displaced thousands of people from their ancestral lands, and the government is virtually doing nothing. I am not of those who believe that governors have nothing to do with security. That is an exclusive preserve of the federal government. Why is there no terrorism and banditry in Kano State, which is the northwestern part of Nigeria? Why is there no banditry and terrorism in Jigawa State? Because the leadership there are proactive in terms of ensuring that whatever slight information goes to them, it is seriously being taken seriously. Now, this is where we are today. Kaduna has 23 local governments. The only local governments that are safe are those within the metropolis, Kaduna North and Kaduna South. The whole city is being encircled. Terrorists now are no more waiting for you to move out of the state for them to kidnap you. They come to the outskirts of the state to kidnap people. We usually use the roads. The roads has been taken over by terrorists. Then we turn to the planes. To move to the airport, we get into terrorists. Now the trains, this is what happened. I have a personal experience of terrorist attack. In October last year, I was a passenger when the train was attacked. And I gave necessary advice and solutions which need to be taken. It is enough time for our governors. If you cannot protect people, if you cannot inspire people to protect their land, if you have no idea on what to do with government, don't contest elections. That is my own solution.
Thank you so much, sir. We appreciate it. We wish you all the best and wish you success in forthcoming.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.